Well, my 2003 Ford Excursion start after 2 years of not being used. Let's see, Copart Ford Excursion. Let's see, will it start? All right. Okay. Okay, y'all. I think something happened. I don't know. Did something happen? Was some animal stuck somewhere inside of there and got stuck? I don't know. But I guess it ain't starting, guys. Guess it's not starting. Let's see. Let's see. There it goes. Cranked up, guys. It did. After 2 years not being used, cranked up. Still cranks. Let's hear how she sounds. Yeah. Let's hear how she sounds. She sounds pretty good, guys. It was dripping water. I think we need a new water pump, basically. I think we need a new water pump. Yeah. I don't think my alternator is working pretty good though. Battery lights are on, so I gotta. I remember something being wrong with something. Yeah, I do. So yeah, I remember something on the alternator is not right, guys. So I better cut it off. I better cut it off. Let me see. Do I got CDs in here, guys? I better cut it off though. Let's see if she'll crank back up. Like a charm. All right. She does pretty good, guys. Maybe this is where my lost CDs are at, guys. Let me see. I can't. I know I can't play the music, but let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Do I got a CD in here? No, that's the CD player. That's the thing back here, right? Yeah, that's this. Yeah. That is that. Everything still works good, guys. But that ain't what I want to know. I don't want to know that. I want to do
hometown team for.
Okay. How do you? Nah, I ain't been in here. I ain't test drive this. I ain't been in here so long, guys. Just a second. I'm trying to see if I got any CDs in here. See CD right here. Not the DVD player. I want the CD player.
Yeah, it's a real deal.
Okay, yeah, no CDs. So I guess I don't have any CDs in there. I thought I did. But I don't. So she still start, guys. She still start. So basically what I gotta do with this thing, and I don't know how or when we're gonna, I mean not how, but I don't know when we're gonna do it, right? But yeah, I gotta change this water pump on this thing. Yeah, gotta change the water pump on here. Cause it cranks right up, guys. It always cranks right up, and yeah, I changed the head gasket on this thing, but I really haven't tested it, because soon as I changed the head gasket, you see, that's when the water pump started leaking, and I just said, I'm tired of this. And I literally just stopped right there, you know? You see? I literally just stopped right there. I said I can't. I'm tired. Can't deal with this truck anymore. Alright? That's what I said, you know? That's what I truly said, guys. I said I can't deal with it anymore. So I parked. Yeah. I parked it. Oh, Lord. What was that? Heard something, guys. Something big. Something big. Something big. I better get from over here. I'll get bite by something. Alright, let's go back on the other side. Animals get on my nerves. They come in here and make nasty stuff in your vehicles. That's what they do, you see? Animals. You know? Okay. That side we still got it. That side is broken. I'm gonna have to do something with that battery post over there because it is. I just snapped it off a little bit. So we know it cranks, guys. My co-part Ford Excursion still starts and sound pretty good. Now it sounds pretty good, you see. I'm gonna start. We're gonna fix that water pump, and then we're gonna get back in and drive and see how good it. See if I really fixed see if I really fixed it, or we still got a big problem. You know. You see. See if I fixed the head gasket, guys. See those studs down there? Yeah, it's studded. Yeah, I don't think you can see down there. It's kind of dark. But yes, this thing is studded. We got the aluminum radiator on here. Yeah. So we'll see. We'll get on here one day. I don't know. I gotta get time. But I think we can get to it. You see, I think we can get to it. And guys, that is the end of this one. Just a little short video. The Excursion does crank and starts. And sounds pretty good. It sounds pretty good. Yeah. The Excursion sounds pretty good. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And we'll see you again when we're back in the yard. Baby. Peace.